about your safety in the morning. Every day at work or play, take warning. In the morning, noon or night, drive safe, drive right like once upon a time. Think about your safety in the daytime, in the storm or in the warm old hay time. Every morning, noon or night, drive safe, drive right like once upon a time. Don't forget to slow down, beat the traffic car. Never try to beat the light, you may get hurt if you fail to stop. Think about your safety every hour. Use more horse sense than you do horsepower. In the morning, noon or night, drive safe, drive right like once upon a time. Look out! Danger! Here they come on the run. Discourtesy and carelessness.
On our way, let's make hay. Hit, run. Come on, beat the light. Oh, good night. He passed the light. Go on, cross the street. Tiny feet in the street. Roadhog, see? Roadhog. Make 'em show off. Push her off. Let 'em have it. Cross the line! Cross the line! Oh, how fine! He crossed the line. Bex.
driver.
Make 'em.
Yeah.
Wreck 'em.
Scare 'em.
Listen to me while I tell you our record of safety today. Listen to me while I tell you the reason I'm angry today. The trouble at once is a kingdom of dunces who speed when I plead for more care. There's no doubt about it, the reason I shouted is courtesy poisons the air. Beware, and carelessness roams everywhere. Oh, will come save us from demons to shame.
Think about your safety every morning.
In your ear you'll always hear this warning.
Once upon a time. Now think about your safety in the daytime, in the storm or in the warm old hay time. Once upon a time, I'll not fail to slow down. I'll not fail to stop.
I'll not try to beat the light. I'll obey the traffic cop with carefulness and courtesy beside you. This is all you'll ever need to guide you. Once upon a time.